Welcome to the Sigmadaf channel, where we share insights and solutions for wastewater treatment and reuse. Water is essential for life, yet access to clean water remains a challenge in many parts of the world. At Sigmadaf, we offer an innovative solution to ensure clean water for all: decentralized modular wastewater treatment plants. A packaged wastewater treatment plant is a system designed to treat domestic and industrial wastewater at the point of need. Our decentralized systems are delivered fully assembled inside portable containers, making them easy to install, scalable, and cost-effective. Our containerized plants operate autonomously, enabling efficient wastewater treatment and safe water reuse, even in areas without access to traditional networks or limited space available. This is accomplished by reducing high infrastructure, transportation, and distribution costs. Sigmadaf offers a wide range of decentralized wastewater treatment plants, including membrane bioreactors, moving bed biofilm reactors, MBBR hybrid systems, DAF systems, filter presses, and membrane filtration units. In addition to the advantages already mentioned, our decentralized plants offer additional benefits such as a modular and scalable design that prevents obsolescence risks, complete automation and remote monitoring, reduced energy consumption and chemical use, a low footprint, and is adaptable to various wastewater sources, from sanitary to high-polluted industrial wastewater. Our packaged plants have been successfully implemented for various applications and locations, including industrial facilities, small communities, mining and construction camps, shopping malls, resorts, golf courses, temporary emergency camps, and more. Providing clean water when it's needed is a challenge, but with advanced solutions like Sigmadaf packaged plants, we can make it possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like more information about our decentralized sewage treatment plants or need help finding the right solution for your project, don't hesitate to reach out. Please leave your thoughts and ideas on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and innovations in water treatment. See you next time.
Sigma, water treatments thinking.